Hi, I'm Ciara from Ciara's Home Yoga, and for this practice we'll need a massage ball, or you can use a tennis ball, and a foam roller of your choice. So we'll start on our quads, working from our hips down to our knees. Starting off, I recommend that we do both quads at the same time, working away from our knee up to our hip and back down again. When you feel you're ready, you can move on to just one quad at a time. If that's too much, just stick to both quads at the same time. If you find a sweet spot, a spot that feels extra tender and it needs an extra bit of massage, if you pause at that location, and for an even deeper massage if you bend your knees. Remember to breathe deeply to get the most benefit from this massage. Next, we're going to work on our Itb band. So this is the muscle at the side of our legs, all the way from our knee up to our hip. If we find a tender spot on our Itb band, we can pause at the location and bend our knees for an even extra massage. Remember to breathe deeply. Next, we're going to work the area in between our Itb band and our quad muscle at the front, pausing and bending our knees when we need to. Now we'll move over to doing our Itb band on the other side. Again, working from our knee all the way up to our hip. Find a sweet spot, pause, bend your knees. Again, we'll work the area now in between the area at the front of our quad and our ITB band. Next, we're going to work onto our calves, and for this we'll need a tennis ball or a massage ball. There's no right or wrong way to massage your calves. You can move the ball up and down or over and back, whatever feels good to you. If you want an even deeper massage, you can place the leg you're not massaging on top of the leg you are massaging to get extra weight into the massage. We'll move over to the other side, up and down and over and back, whatever feels good to you. Remember to breathe deeply. If you want an even deeper massage, you can add the weight of the leg you're not massaging on top of the leg you are massaging for extra weight, and this in turn results in a deeper massage. When we're finished both sides, we'll go back to our foam rollers. Next, we'll introduce a stretch before we roll out our back. If we place the foam roller at our thoracic spines, that's our middle of our back, where our bra strap level is, and we'll bring our head, neck and shoulders up and back over our foam rollers for a lovely stretch in our upper spine. Following that, we'll roll out our back. I have my bum up in the air for this massage, but if that's not available to you, just do what you can and do what feels good for you. Don't forget to breathe deeply. You'll get the most benefit from your foam rolling if you can breathe deeply at the same time. Next, we'll grab our massage ball or tennis ball again, and we will work our lat muscle, which is the muscle under our arm towards the back of our body. Up and down and over and back, whatever feels good to you. Change to the other side. Don't forget to breathe deeply. And we're all done. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Namaste.